So what if we have the other way around? We have a mixed number, which we don't like, and we want the improper fraction, which we probably want the improper fraction form of this. So how do I do 2 1/3 as an improper fraction? Okay, well, what we want to do is, first of all, we have to figure out, well, there's 2 wholes, okay, and we want to express this in 1/3 pieces. So if I draw a picture of this, here's my picture, okay, I want to express these 2 wholes with 1/3 pieces. Well, I got to figure out how many 1/3 pieces make up those 2 wholes. Well, if I have 2 wholes, I can just do 2 groups of 3, or 2 times 3. That gives me the 6 in here. And then I can add in the extra one here. So it's going to be 6 plus 1. Notice that really it's just making a common denominator and adding the numerator. Okay, so we get 7 1/3 pieces. Okay, so there is kind of a shortcut here. We can kind of say, well, 7 1/7. There's 7 1/7 that make up each one whole. So there's going to be 2 groups of 7, which is 14 plus 2. It should be equal to, and I'm just going to get the answer first. I'm getting 16 1/7 pieces. And again, just make sure that this actually makes sense. We have 1/7 pieces. 1/7 are really hard to draw. Okay, so I have my 1/7 pieces. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, there's my 14 pieces that make up my 2 wholes. And then I have these 2 pieces which make up my leftover 2. Yeah, I'm counting 16 pieces here. So again, if I just use the wholes and the groupings of those wholes, so I get 15. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4. Maybe I should write that out. 3 times 5, 3 groups of 1/5, plus 4, and that's going to give me the number of fifths. So 15 plus 4 over 5. So that should be 19 over 5. Okay, so if we want to have kind of more streamlined process, it's going to look like this. Same here. 5 groups of 3. So I'm going to have 5 groups of 3. And I'm going to add on that extra 1. This is going to be 16. Yeah, I've got 15. That's going to be 1/3 pieces. This is going to be 1/3 pieces here. So I'm going to end up with 15 plus 1 over 3. And that's going to give me 16 over 3. Okay? So really it's important to understand that we want mixed numbers has both divide and addition involved in it. So that's a bit of a problem. Okay, so although we need to know what mixed numbers are, it really is important to know that there's a plus there. And when I say that improper fractions are better, it's because improper fractions only have times and divide, and so that way we don't have to mix addition with multiplication division, which makes the math easier. So improper fractions are better.